Are you lost or delete your call history or call log history or call logs? In some I can show how to get deleted call history or how to recover your all deleted call history or call log history or call list or see your deleted call history. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. After that, in this here write or search super backup and restore. You can see super backup and restore app. Please install this app. After install this app and then open it, you can see apps, SMS, contacts, call logs, calendars, pictures. So in this you can choose and select call logs, open it. In this you can easily see or get or recover your all deleted call history or call list or call logs recovery. So let's see. After that you can see backup all, restore, view backups, send to cloud. So in this you can choose and select backup all, click here. Please enter a name for the backup file. So in this you can type or write your file's name. You can see in this you can type or write call logs history. After that you can see OK, click on it. Backup completed successfully. Do you want to send this backup file to cloud? You can see two options, send to Google Drive. After that, send to others. So in this you can choose and select your need option. After that, go back. After that, choose and open restore. Click on it. You can see restoring call logs. So in this you can easily see or get or recover your all deleted call logs or call history or call list. After that you can see restore completed successfully. After that, choose and open view call logs. Click here. So in this here I can get or see or recover my all deleted call history. So in this way I can easily get or see your all deleted call history, call logs or call list.